Here's how you can easily use split screen or multitask on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro.
Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is, since iPhone does not, Apple does not have their own screen sharing, split screen option, what you want to do is you want to go to the App Store and actually download Split Screen View. Now, this is a third-party app, and yes, it is the best one. I've tested 50 of them, and if you just open it, you can actually add any of these apps down here, and I'm just going to show you how it works. You can just add a note just by clicking on this, and as you can see, you can actually even adjust how big the split screen is, like the middle bar of the screen. You can see we have YouTube on the top, and we can have notes on the bottom, and you can see you can just type like that. And if you do want to do other split screen apps, such as Google, Safari, all you want to do is you just want to actually click on this tabs option, delete all, and you can actually add any of these. I'm going to open up Instagram, and yes, you can even use this app vertical or sideways, whatever it's called, and you can just open up any of these applications and easily adjust the windows just by dragging this in the middle, the very center. And yeah, you can just log in. It's really easy to use, and you can easily scroll through Instagram Reels and Facebook at the same time using this app. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it makes my life a lot better. So yeah, I just recommend using this